climb inside the 2015 Nissan Altima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Nissan paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Call now to schedule a test drive.